Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 6 not launching or opening. Let's begin. First, if you're using Steam or any application like EA or Epic Games, we need to make sure to repair any corrupted or missing files, okay? So for Steam, for example, here, we could just easily go to our library, left click on any game. For example, this is Battlefield 6. You can go to Properties and then go to Installed Files and verify integrity of game files. Okay, it will validate any missing files and it will automatically re-download them. Same goes for the E application. You just need to click on Battlefield 6 over here, then go to Properties and then click on Repair. And that's it. Now we proceed with step number two. Once we have successfully repaired and verified our game files, we need to adjust the compatibility settings, right? So head over to your start menu and then search for Battlefield 6. Right click and open File Location. So over here, you will find the Battlefield 6 execution file. Right click on it and then choose Show More Options, or just simply go to the Properties. Then open the Compatibility tab over here. I want you to enable these three options. First, run this program as the admin. Okay. Disable full screen optimizations. Run in compatibility mode for your Windows version. Click apply and then OK. And that's it. After doing all these, Battlefield 6 should finally launch without issues. I hope you found this video very helpful.